Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to stay updated on your Instagram view counts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on view count notifications for Instagram so you never miss an update on your post's performance. This guide is fully updated for 2025, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up your device's settings. This is where you'll be able to control notifications for all your apps, including Instagram. Look for the gear icon, usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Apps or Applications. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through the list and find Instagram. Once you spot it, tap on the Instagram app to open its settings. Inside the Instagram app settings, you'll see several options. What you're looking for is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to access all the different notification settings for Instagram. Now, you'll see a section called Notification Categories. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which notifications you want to receive from Instagram. Tap on Notification Categories to see the full list. Look for the option labeled View Counts. This is the setting that controls whether you get notified when your post's view counts change or hit certain milestones. To enable these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to View Counts to the on position. You'll know it's on when the switch changes color or moves to the right, depending on your device. And that's it. You've successfully turned on view count notifications for Instagram. Now, every time your post gets more views or reaches a new milestone, you'll get a notification right on your phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.